हाय।
हाय।
आपका नाम क्या है?
कनिष्क जय।
आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं पर्टिकुलरली राजस्थान अलवर।
So have you been to any other IIT university?
Yeah.
Which university?
I have been twice. One as a summer boot camp in IIT Ropar, and second in IIT Jammu as a semester itself.
So you have different exposure in different places with different IIT students.
Yeah.
So how was the experience?
So in IIT Ropar, I was for a boot camp. It was more of a kind of training program. It was really a great exposure for me. I came here just for IIT's exposure, obviously. In IIT Ropar, there were many students, many colleagues. We had a great interaction with them and we solved problems together.
So what did you learn from the real IIT students?
I learned how to conquer a problem from the core steps. So IITs teach how to think to the depth of the problem and how unique you are.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
What's your name?
Sarthak.
आप कहाँ से हो?
I'm from Indore, MP.
So how did you get to know about this JKLU University?
In JEE means I guess it was my 94 percentile, but due to general category, it was a little bit disappointing. I want to go to IIT but it was not possible. I searched for colleges and I get to know about JKLU. That JKLU provides, SEM exchange programs. This is a wonderful opportunity for me to go in any of the IITs, whether it's for only a single SEM, but I would go in IIT and I would know how am I performing in between IITians.
Okay, yes.
That was my main aim to go in IIT.
And this
That
is the
where-
only one university in India.
This is the only one university which provides you opportunity to see
Self
yourself,
exchange.
see yourself how you do perform in the guys who are actually very good in academics. And when I went to IIT Jodhpur, the students which I saw there, they were very, very brilliant. Actually, ma'am, see, when you compete amongst those people or those students who are actually good in academics, you get to know your level too. I just in fourth semester,
Fourth
in
semester,
second year. Where are you standing in between IITians and at what level you are there? You get to know this personally. So yeah.
So now you went there and now you came back. So how is your experience and all?
The faculty told me to make one project in machine learning. What I thought was, if I could make something from here, I made 4 projects in machine learning.
Okay.
And those 4 projects, I was able to achieve very, very good internship. That was also featured by JKLU on official JKLU Instagram and LinkedIn page. My photograph is there, Sarthak Pandit.
Oh, nice.
Other than my machine learning field, there was a subject which I opted was software engineering.
Okay.
And in that subject, I basically built a proper attendance system for the, for IIT Jodhpur itself. The faculty was so much impressed by my project. She would have kept my project itself and she would have implemented that project with whole class.
Nice.
So my main aim was to study machine learning from IIT Jodhpur. The second thing, to make as much as possible projects so that it would be helpful for me in future. I'm planning to go to IIT Jammu as well.
Jammu.
Jammu.
That you can opt also
I
as
can
many
opt
as
many as subject.
Okay.
Once again, subject machine learning, deep learning from IIT Jammu, so that I could get to know that how IIT Jodhpur is different from IIT Jammu, and I could gain much more as knowledge in my domain itself.
Yes.
From
This
various IITs.
JKLU really it's giving so much of exposure and so much of opportunities
Yes,
to study in various other IIT universities,
for sure,
right?
ma'am, for sure.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.